Welcome to Module 2, Introducing Cloud Architecting. In this module, you'll learn about what cloud architecting is, the Amazon Web Services well-architected framework, best practices for building solutions on AWS, and the AWS global infrastructure. At the end of this module, you should be able to define cloud architecture, describe how to design and evaluate architectures using the AWS well-architected framework, explain best practices for building solutions on AWS, and describe how to make informed decisions on where to place AWS resources. By the end of this course, you will have learned about all the components in this architecture diagram. You should also be able to construct your own solution architectures that are as large and robust as this example. You will see this diagram repeated at the start of most modules in the course. New components in the diagram will be revealed as they're introduced in the course. We'll begin with Section 1, What is Cloud Architecting? To understand what cloud architecting is and why it's important, first, consider an example of what software development is like in its absence. Around the year 2000, Amazon was trying to create an e-commerce service that would enable third-party sellers to build their own online shopping sites on top of the Amazon e-commerce engine. The company was struggling to make its new shopping website highly available and scalable. In a TechCrunch interview about the genesis of AWS, CEO Andy Jassy said that in the beginning, the Amazon e-commerce tools were, in his words, a jumbled mess. Applications and architectures were built without proper planning. Jassy also said that it was a huge challenge to separate the various services to make a centralized development platform. To solve this problem, Amazon created a set of well-documented application programming interfaces, or APIs. These APIs were meant to organize the development environment. However, Amazon still struggled to build applications quickly as the company grew, and more software engineers were hired. It took 3 months just to build the database, compute, and storage components for an entire project that was expected to take 3 months. Each team built their own resources without planning for scalability or reusability. To solve these issues, teams started building internal services to create highly available, scalable, and reliable architectures on top of the Amazon infrastructure. In 2006, Amazon started selling these services as Amazon Web Services. So what is cloud architecture? Cloud architecture is the practice of applying cloud characteristics to a solution that uses cloud services and features to meet an organization's technical needs and business use cases. A solution is similar to a blueprint for a building. Software systems require architects to manage their size and complexity. The job of a cloud architect is to engage with decision makers to identify the business goals and the capabilities that need improvement. They also ensure alignment between the technology deliverables of a solution and the business goals. Finally, cloud architects work with delivery teams that are implementing the solution to ensure that the technology features are appropriate. Having well-architected systems makes it more likely that the technology deliverables will fulfill the business goals. Here are the key takeaways for this section of the module. One key takeaway is that cloud architecture is the practice of applying cloud characteristics to a solution that uses cloud services and features to meet an organization's technical needs and business use cases. Another key takeaway is that you can use AWS services to create highly available, scalable, and reliable architectures. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.